In this video, we will show you how to access Data Depot using the Globus client and how to share subfolders within Data Depot. Now, to initially log in, once you have access to Data Depot, you will need to go to transfer.rcac.purdue.edu. The first thing you will see is they want to know which campus you're at, and as you can see, there are many to choose from. You want the Purdue University main campus. We just want to click right here where it says Get Globus Connect Personal. So in this count, I'm just going to call it my Mac endpoint. Generate a setup key, which I'm going to copy, and then get one for Mac, and save the file. Now what I'm going to do is go find that downloaded file, and I'm actually going to go here and let it install in Applications. Now what you want to do is go into Applications and actually launch. When opening the client, here is where it asks for the setup key, and you want to paste the one that you had from the earlier screen and hit OK. At this point, it's going to install automatically, and you can see it up here on your taskbar. But what we're going to do first is we're also going to see how that's done on a Windows machine. So you just open a web browser and type transfer.rcac.purdue.edu. Again, choose the main campus as well as here. And then again, you want to use your career account credentials to log in. Now once again, this will bring the transfer window we saw before. However, on the Windows, we'll have to click on Endpoints, and we'll have to add a Globus Connect personal endpoint. Again, you want it to be something simple. In this case, I'm just going to call it my PC endpoint. Generate the setup key, and again, we want to copy that key, only this time, instead of Mac, we're going to do it for Windows. And this time we simply want to save the file and install the client. And again, the first time we run it, it wants that setup key, so we're going to paste the key that we just copied. Now here it just wants to know if you want the ability to modify those settings, and you want to hit yes so that you can transfer. One other way that you can share files and connect with Data Depot is to actually map network drives on your machines. With a Mac, you simply go to your Finder menu up here, click Go, and connect to Server. Now I already have mine saved here. You want this file path in order to get to your file in Data Depot. Now the difference with yours will be that yours is not CLA IT, but in this case we're just going to connect, and then it will ask for your username and password, and then you will have connectivity for the Windows machine. Connecting to that network drive is a little bit different. On your Windows 7 machine, you want to open Windows Explorer, click on Computer or right-click Computer and choose Map Network Drive. And then you type the following address, and you want to make sure that this will connect every time that you log in, or not, depending on how you want to run it. And then here you want to make sure that your username says 1Purdue / your username and your password. And then once you've done that, it will automatically map to the Data Depot folder. We are just going to do a simple file transfer using the Globus web client. In this case, you need to choose an endpoint. Now, most places on campus are just going to go to Purdue #RCAC or hashtag. And in this case, it's automatically going to go here. You want the path to go to your folder on Data Depot. And then your folder. And then we'll go to here. And then there should be a test folder in here that I left from earlier. Okay, we have an empty test folder. And then for the other endpoint, we want to go to mine. And remember, we created these two, so I'm going to choose my Mac. And then, of course, I have a Documents folder, a Data Depot folder, and a test folder. And then I can simply click the button to transfer.